What if I told you that right now, while you are watching this video, thousands of people are quietly making money online, using a method that almost nobody is talking about? Not the usual dropshipping, not the same old print-on-demand advice, not the copy-paste affiliate marketing tutorials you've already seen 100 times. This is something different, something that most so-called online income gurus have either not discovered yet, or they know about it, and they are simply not telling you because the moment everybody knows, the opportunity gets harder. But today, I am pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly what this method is and how it works. Most importantly, how you can start using it today, even if you have zero experience, zero tech skills, and almost no money to invest. Stay with me, because in the next 20 minutes, your entire perspective on making money with AI is about to change. Have you ever spent hours watching YouTube videos about making money online and still ended up exactly where you started? If that is you, you are not alone. The problem is not your effort. The problem is that everyone is teaching the same oversaturated methods. The internet is flooded with the same advice, but there is a small group of people who have found something that sits right at the intersection of artificial intelligence and a massive growing human need. That sweet spot is what we are going to talk about today. The opportunity is called AI-powered micro-consulting through deliverable packages. Let me break that down in the simplest way possible. Businesses need answers to specific problems. It's not hour-long coaching calls or expensive retainers. They need small, specific documents, plans, and reports delivered fast. AI tools make it possible for you to create those deliverables in minutes and sell them for $20, $50, even $100 each. Think about this. A small restaurant owner does not know how to write a social media plan. A local gym owner needs a fitness email sequence. A freelance photographer wants a professional bio. A startup founder needs a competitor analysis but cannot afford a $5,000 agency. These people are everywhere. They're searching on Google, posting in Facebook groups, asking on Reddit, and nobody is consistently showing up. Now here's where it gets interesting. You might be thinking, but I am not an expert. This is where everything flips. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you do not need to be the expert. The AI is the expert. Your job is to be the bridge. The first thing you need to do is pick a niche. Don't go too broad. Pick one type of person with one specific recurring problem. For example, let us say you choose local service businesses like plumbers, electricians, or cleaning companies. Once you have your niche, define your deliverable. Specific product you hand them, like a 30-day social media content calendar. Step 3 is using AI to create it. Open ChatGPT, type in a detailed prompt, and watch what comes out in seconds. Now, the fourth step is finding clients. The best places are Facebook groups, local community boards, and LinkedIn. Step 5 is pricing. Start between $25 and $75. It is an impulse buy price that small business owners won't hesitate at. Let me tell you about Marcus. Marcus is 26 and was working a shift job at a warehouse. He decided to try one thing. He created a 5-meal follow-up sequence for cleaning companies using ChatGPT. Within 2 days, he landed his first clients and made $98 in his first week. That is the engine turning on. Now, the positioning statement matters. Don't say you make AI content. Say you help companies double rebooking rates with email sequences. Use tools like Canva to make your deliverables look polished. Suddenly, it looks like it came from a proper agency. Every industry uses tools to improve efficiency. You are solving a real problem and delivering real value. That is business. Ask your action plan for the next 24 hours. Pick a niche, create a sample, join communities, and start to conversations. The only thing separating you from where you want to be is one decision. Use the tools available to you. Go build your first deliverable today. Subscribe and hit the bell for more. See you in the next video.